What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new, my name is Loreen, and welcome. What you hi bo, what you hey when I what you say, guys? I'm taking you along with me today. I'm just going to get my nails done. My feet look ridiculous, guys. They look ridiculous. My feet I'm embarrassed to even show you. They look like they belong to a homeless peasant. Literally, they look horrendous. I won't even lie to you. Just because I've said this and you'll think I'm exaggerating, I'm going to show you what my feet look like. Okay. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to give it a tap on that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up if you like this type of video. Also, turn on the notification bell. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Now to my toes, guys. These toes are a shame to the human race. Let's see. Can you see? And from waitressing, I've got like this, you know, where you get blood coming out. I don't know what they are called. Like, it's almost like you are injured of some sort. It's like, because I'm always standing, there's blood coming out of my toes. I don't know what it's called, but literally there are clots of blood on my big toes, guys, from standing the whole time. Hey, this life is not easy. This life ain't easy. Anyways, guys, let's go. Anyways, guys, in case you didn't really see my toes, let's see if you can see my. Can you see? Can you see how disgraceful that is? Oh my lord. Anyways, guys, catch you when I get to the mall and update you then. Okay, ciao. Look at all these healthy food supplements, guys. Celery salt. I wonder. Almond milk powder, really? Is it a thing? I didn't know you could have almond milk powder. I always buy this quinoa because it's quite affordable. 80 rand, and that's the cheapest one I've seen so far anyways, so yeah. Claudia, look at this. Oh my lord, guys, Claudia sells whole rolled oats and granola is almost like muesli, but it's also like a breakfast or nice snack to have. If you are interested, I'll leave her details in the description box. Speaking of getting this green juice, guys, I'm so hungry and I just wanted something healthy to eat. There's kombucha, but it's too expensive. I think I'll take the green juice. What do you think, guys? I'll take the green juice. It's apple, cucumber, spinach and mint. Yeah. Ended up deciding to get the red one. Apple, beetroot, raspberry and carrot. Looks quite healthy. I ended up getting the red one, so it's very nice. It tastes like beetroot. I can really taste beetroot, but it's a bit too sweet. Probably sweet because of the raspberry and the carrot. I know carrot makes juices sweet, so, but it's really nice. Here's our before, guys.
We loved all night, never growing
I'm busy looking for Alice in Wonderland themed stuff for Bay. I found a top hat. I think I'll look for a bow tie, like a bright colored bow tie, and maybe a wand, like those magic ones, like the sticks, guys. Yo, my ideas are so limited, but I'm finna try. I'm trying. So the top hat. Let's see. This is cute actually. It's quite cute. It's cute. So now I've got the hat and this cross belt. I'm gonna pass by McDonald's and get myself a Coke Zero with ice, and then I'll go catch a taxi and go home. Woo! Guys, ilanga liyatshisa is so hot, my lord. Sure? I'm gonna hurry up and go home, but anyways, my transport is quite close by, so it's not a problem. So I'm gonna enjoy my Coke Zero and I'm gonna catch you when I get home. Okay, ciao. I got some stuff for dinner. Let me quickly show you guys what I got. So keep watching, guys, to see how I make my dinner and what we're gonna have for dinner. I'm gonna do like a grilled veggie salad. So dinner is served, guys. I'm just gonna sit down and enjoy, and of course Zaidi is back home. If you enjoy this video, guys, please give it a big thumbs up because that really supports my channel. And if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification.
Subscribe. Don't be watching for free.
Yeah. Okay. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. See you in the next one, guys. Mwah! Love you all. Bye.